Hello everyone. Welcome again to my vlog. Here's
Hi
Angel.
guys. It's me.
It's
you.
you. And this Leslie.
Hello.
And this Rahat.
And this is me also.
And this is me. Nag-ibig. And then what do you want to say about being kadama?
Well, being a dama is not easy, you know?
Akala ko well done. Dapat di binildan mo na para tapos na. And how about you, my friend?
Gusto ko maingon.
What do you think about kadama? What will you advise for them?
Hala, pangita na mo eh.
In English.
Fine naman, that's who love you.
Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng kadama, piniste. Fine aman.
Pangita naglalaki na si
Oh,